crew, and welcome back to Conarium. I am your Captain Shayde Reynard, and in the last episode we got the power on and we went down the elevator. And that's where we left off. So let's continue. I forgot how high the sensitivity of this mouse is. Okay, a little bit of graphical lag there. That was weird. Symbols on the floors here. Oh, hi. Okay. Cool. Yeah, just jumping right into it. Yeah, cool. Right back into the spook.
It's stuck.
Okay, well, we can't go through that door. This game is really pretty.
It's stuck.
Okay.
It won't open.
Oh, okay. I kind of like this tree just in the center here. That's really cool.
It's stuck.
There's water everywhere. That's like a little worrying. Like we can see our breath too. Okay, I wasn't expecting that door to open. Okay, is there... Oh. It's like... Alright, I forgot we had a flashlight. To her. I'm the big dumb right now.
Need a phonograph cylinder.
Oh, okay. I don't know why I need that, but okay. Excuse me. Another flashlight. Huh.
Locked.
Okay.
Locked.
Well, it seems like the power's out down here, which is weird. I need to turn down that headphones just a little bit. It's a little bit loud. Should be fine for you guys, though. Well, this is where that creepy ghost guy went, so let's go down here. What is this? Link elevator has been set up. It can now reach both the tower and bottom levels below the base. Camp equipment and parts of the portable submarines are being transported to the first campsite, tower base cavern entrance. Okay. Cool.
Looks like I need something to get this elevator to work.
Oh, we have that, don't we? This? How do I use it?
What was the need for such security measures?
How do we use, though? Okay. It's a handle. It looks like it would go here. Yeah, it doesn't say that I can use it here. Okay.
This is Frank Gilman. Can anybody hear me? Over.
No? Okay.
They may be out of reach. What was the need for such security measures?
Okay. I thought that us having that handle would, already be able to take us there.
It's stuck.
Huh. Alright.
It's stuck.
Oh, shit. Can we go anywhere else? Gotta be something around here. Maybe another vent or something that we can crawl through that I missed before. Can you turn the power on? No? I don't know. I don't know what these mushrooms are. Maybe those are the psychedelics that we took? I don't know. Look that important. drawings of flowers with some notes on it that we can't read. Oh! Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Hi. What's up, cat? Hello? Wait, we saw a thing about a cat, right? It's supposed to be like an apparition or something? Alright, kitty. Cool, thanks for scaring the absolute shit out of me, bro. I can't really see what this is. Looks like a pyramid? Okay. I don't know what the pyramids have to do with anything. There's a problem with one of the freezers. I've labeled it. Let's be checked immediately. Okay. Cool. New campsite established, waiting for new samples. Cool. What's this? Dr. Faust is very tight-lipped about how he came up with the strange exploration device he built long ago. The only thing he's told me is that he came across some shunned forbidden volumes about the device of extraterrestrial origin, but again, these sources do not hint that any existed on Earth except in the dreams of those who liked to chew on a certain colloidal herb. The sessions we hold in the meeting room to adapt our nervous systems to the alien impulses of the machine were frightening at first. If used too much, it affects the body to a breaking point. Now I'm used to its non-human sensations. I've started to feel like the device is clearing my mind to make it absorb much more than ever before. I feel unconfined and much more receptive. But the most peculiar aspect of the sensations is that because it is a shared experience, I am able to receive impressions, ideas, and even memories which belong to other participants. That's weird. Usually my mind wanders after the sessions end, and I cannot focus my thoughts until I have slept for several hours. That strange device surely disorients feelings and body functions, but I believe that what it offers is of more immense importance. Okie dokie then. Is there any other notes or stuff for us to find? Okay, well we can see in this room now. Okay, cat.
Locked.
Okay, well I can't close that. You'd think I... Oh, hey, wait a minute. Oh! Oh! That's what the handle's for. Okay, what is this? Is this the plant that... That ain't right. Oh, cool. Okay, so now we're gonna trip balls, so that's cool. Cat, get me out of here. Schrodiner, seriously, help me out. What the fuck? Oh, shit, dude. Holy hell. Okay. Okay. Screen just flickered on and off. Okay, so when we look behind us, it's nothing but pure blackness. This door's open now. Cool. Oh, fuck no, dude. The fuck?
this? It's impossible to determine with so much decomposition.
Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, we got a key. I don't know what that's for. We got some notes. I don't know what that is. Okay. We have finally finished excavating the monolith that was silently waiting for a soul to see it again. Situated within a circular building, we reached the link elevator. That magnificent piece of carving was buried halfway down under a mound of debris, and most probably could have been written with the easiest pages of history, or written in the easiest pages of history. I cannot describe exactly my feelings for the first time when I stood aghast, contemplating that gigantic stonework inside those time-worn halls of silence. Only God knows how many ages have passed since its initial carving. Just thinking about its age sends shivers down my spine. Which civilization could have constructed such grandeur? Now waving a forlorn goodbye without giving away the secrets of its masters? Okay, I don't know why my screen keeps doing that. It's been doing that a few times today. It just keeps flicking on and off. Furthermore, even though most of them are damaged beyond repair, we have spotted some symbols resembling the rock art of Sahara Desert in the southwest Algeria. We don't have any strong evidence to suggest anything, but Connell Blake clings mostly to the continental drift theory. In any case, we don't have enough data on its age, but it is evident that history needs to be rewritten yet again. Okay. Interesting.
Oh, yes. These are the pre-human species we found frozen in a cave far south of the base.
Okay.
Oh, yes. These are the pre-human species we found frozen in a cave far south of the base.
That's strange, but okay, cool, yeah. I don't know what that is. Cool. Creepy. Oh, the key opens this room. Okie dokie. Do we still have the key? Nope. It's gone. Okay. Why am I freaking out? Is it this thing? It is this thing. The frick? Is this one of them shared memories?
I believe no more can we harbor ourselves on the safest shores, for there are things that cannot be undone.
Okay.
I think you should retire to your room. I'm going to think a bit more.
Okay. Interesting. It's definitely one of those pod things that we're looking at. Very Cthulhu. It's got the wings, the tentacles, and like the mouth thing. Okay. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Antarctica, the southernmost continent and the site of South Pole, is virtually uninhabited ice-covered landmass. Most cruises to the continent visit the Antarctic Peninsula, which stretches towards South America. It is known for the Mare Channel and Paradise Harbor, striking iceberg-flanked passageways, and Port Lockroy, a former British research station turned museum. The peninsula's isolated terrain also shelters rich wildlife, including penguins. The text is illegible. Agartha. Some markings on the Antarctic map. Okay. Cool. Alrighty then. I don't have my flashlight anymore. Okay. It's not weird or anything. Oh yeah, that's not weird. Completely broken down house. Not weird.
Locked. It's locked. Locked. Locked.
Alright, yeah, let's just continue on then. Nope. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Oh no. Did we die? Is it all over? Hello? Oh, we're back. Queens. Okay. Journal has been updated. Okay. Okay, Alright, sure. Alright. Oh, hey. I think that's the elevator thing. Alright. Nothing there. Nothing there. So we get it. We're in Antarctica. And what is this? Okay, somewhat humanoid in form, these scriptures initially reminded us the terracotta army sculptures carved as a funerary art buried within the first emperor of China protect him in the afterlife. But judging by the writings on some of the bas reliefs, now we believe that these wooden puppets, or golems, were used to carry out some tasks for their masters, just like the Egyptian, I can't pronounce that, funerary figures, which are the servants of their owner in the hereafter. We saw the golems in several sizes, and it was terrifying to see the huge ones sitting in silence on the carved and polished rock stools as if waiting for command. Yeah, that was pretty creepy. Neat looking though. There are lots of gateways leading to dark and damp corridors that were mostly carved in ages past. Some of them were covered by strange ivy-like plants, swaying back and forth despite there being no external force to move them. They seemed to come from levels below, creeping through the crevices in the rock walls. To stop probable superstitious gossip amongst the crew, Dr. Barlow, our botany expert, personally started to examine them. Okay. First submarine explorations revealed what was lying in the underwater caves. The most striking features were the structures, with openings in them. Like doors and windows, they made us wonder whether those caverns had been carved underwater, or if they had been submerged at a later date and thus had become redundant to those who had carved them. Okay. Interesting. Now I think we can go in and view trophy items. Yeah. Hold on. What was that? Oh. Back up. No, I don't want my journal. US left control. Okay, here we are. I think that's the one we just picked up. No, that was the sketchbook. Okay, here. No. We need this one. Scientifically, the pinnacle... Okay, yeah, this is just brain shit. Okay, it's not important, I don't think. Yeah, there's no pages to turn there, so, okay, whatever. That's, I guess, not too important. Probably has to deal with just, like, you know, how the mind reacts to things, but, yeah, whatever. You guys want to see me play the game. I want to play the game. I don't want to read any more shit right now. Maybe read it later. Who knows? Okay, cool.
Right. I don't know if you can hear me, but I am trying. Searching is the only way.
Okay.
Hey! Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Damn
hello?
it. Who was he?
I don't know. Probably a person. Let's go up. Maybe we can use the radio at a higher elevation or something. I don't know. Because if we go further down, then we can't call for help. Maybe I'm just being too practical about this. Fucking excuse me? Tower. Base. Cavern entrance. Okay. Excuse me? The hell was that goopy sounding noise? This wasn't what I was expecting when we went up. I thought we were still in the base. Whatever this is, we'll take it. Yeah, sure. My vision's getting all blurry again. Okay. Hello? What are you? We're just gonna keep walking at it, whatever this is.
This is amazing. Most of the ground level structures have been crumbled and rounded from untold eons of savage storms, and thus weathered into shapeless ruins. However, both the ground level and the cavern systems below are clearly displayed in these bas-reliefs. The most striking features depicted in this grand panorama, I believe, are the tall, occasional towering spires, which somehow resemble a lighthouse. They all seem like focusing a light beam towards a colossal structure in the center. Could there be some sort of religious meaning behind this? Or simply something that has a more practical use?
I couldn't tell you, pal.
I'm not sure.
I'm just along for the ride. Cool, well that's a little bit of insight, I guess. Maybe it's a portal to another world. I have no clue. Journal updated. Okay, yep, I don't know. All this looks like I shouldn't be fucking with it. It's really cool looking though. Alright then. I don't think there's anything I can do up here. No? You know, Lovecraftian architecture like this always reminds me of, like, Dark Elves in Skyrim. I don't know why. It just does. Down. Drinking, white chocolate raspberry coffee. It's delicious. Go down one more time. You know, the only place that I know specifically where there was one of those gramophone thingies was back at the other part of the base, and I don't really want to walk all the way back there right away just for that thing. Maybe we'll find one down here. Okay, this is just like, looks like wood. Okay, no, it's not wood. It's definitely stone. Uh-huh. Axe. Okay. Alright, there's always some strange vegetation filling most of the hallways, as amazing as it is deadly. There's a hidden world right beneath the Upatau, I don't know how to pronounce that, base, and even though I was prepared to find such a place, it was way different than imagining alone. We tried to cut our way through, but the plant reacted with a highly poisonous gas seemingly coming from its glowing buds. I issued a warning to stop anyone going near these plants they came across in any of those caverns. I also noticed a strange phenomenon after I spent some time examining a sample from the plant. It occurred to me that individual vines grow and shrink in length on demand. It also seems as though it can move, even though there are no air currents. And this movement seems too regular to be caused by natural factors. This may sound strange, but I have the notion that it is conscious, at least on some level. Cool. Conscious plants. Fantastic. Reminds me of those plants from Jumanji.
Hey, anyone here?
Hello?
Dr. James? Dr. Morgan?
It's cool
Anybody?
looking. I want one of these. I want it in my house.
Where are they, for God's sake?
Don't know. Friend, don't know. Okay, I guess that goes there. Are these the plants? Oakley dokley then. Okay, where's the... yeah, there it is. Uh-huh. I guess those plants are photosensitive. Cool beans. That looks like alien. Yeah. This is safe. This is so safe. Next thing you know, there's gonna find our team. They're gonna be, you know, covered in face huggers, and then Predator's gonna show up, and we're gonna have to battle off aliens together. That may or may not be the entire plot to Alien vs. Predator. It also happens to take place in Antarctica, I believe. Not a bad movie, honestly. Second one's awful. I didn't like that at all. Okay, this looks like a sacrificial altar, if I ever saw one. Yeah, totally. Yeah, sacrificial altar. Oh yeah, there's a lot of them. Seriously getting, like, alien vibes here. Like, I know this is Lovecraftian, but, totally alien vibes from that. Okay, my brain just lost itself. Okay. It's a broken structure now. Let's just go crawl in its lap, shall we?
What was that I've just seen?
I don't know. I literally don't know. That reminds me of one of the Egyptian gods. Is it Ra? Ra? Is that the bird one? I don't remember. I'm not really... I don't really know as much about the Egyptian gods as I do other, like, pagan religions.
This stonework seems weak.
Cool. Anybody over here? You know, this isn't exactly the type of place I'd be traipsing around alone. Can we take this shovel? Like, I know I have an axe, but can we take the shovel too? Oh. I'm just taking this? Yoink, I guess that's mine now. I don't know what those are, but I guess I'll take those too. Sure, yeah. I'm just taking shit, I guess. I have no idea what any of this goes to. Hopefully the main character does, because I sure as shit don't. You know, like during like a archaeological dig or something, that's the type of thing that you don't want to just like, oh, I'm just gonna pocket this. Like, usually there's like some bookwork or something. Hey, there's another axe. Oh, I guess I can't take that. I guess if I need another one, it's there. Okay, it's really hard to read that when my thing is freaking out, so... Excuse me? Cool lizard people. Is that a reason for my brain to lose its shit? Oh, hi. I guess there's this here.
If I am not mistaken, this relief depicts that the overgrown floor we came across at the various points of the cavern can be cleared away with an iridescent device, a tool or a talisman.
Alright.
Curiously, we still haven't been able to find the roots of those plants. They seem to seep out of these caverns by passing through crevices which look as if intentionally made for them. What other secrets might these silent halls conceal from us?
I don't know, buddy. I don't know. You know, I've read some, like, H.P. Lovecraft stuff and stuff concerning, like, the Cthulhu mythos, but I don't remember lizard people in any of it. But I could have, you know, not read certain things, so... Because the mythos as a whole is, like, there's a lot. And it's not just Lovecraft, as far as I'm aware. I know there's been other authors that have expanded on his universe. Excuse me?
As we planned, my team will continue exploration through this gateway. Other expedition parties can commence when ready.
Alright. I'm sure my character's brain is about to just explode. Okay, I can't move. Can I move? I literally can't move. Alright, there we go. That's weird. I was just like stuck in place. Maybe I was stuck on something, I don't know. Okay, well, that looks like it's impassable now, so... Yay! Cool. I like these glowy rocks. I want some glowy rocks. And honestly, like, I love circular gateways like this. I don't know why, but I think they're really awesome. Pardon me? Did I just see something move over there? Okay. Oh, that's an elder sign. It's like the sign of Cthulhu, or like the signs of like the old gods. Or the deep ones, or whatever the hell they call them. I can't remember. God, it's been so long since I've read anything regarding H.P. Lovecraft or like the Cthulhu mythos. I had a friend that had like the entirety of H.P. Lovecraft's works and Cthulhu mythos by Lovecraft. And he let me borrow it for a while, and I read through, I'd say, the majority of it before he asked for it back. But it's been so long since I read through it. Yeah, it's just... Oh, it's one of our team. Okay, cool. Hey, buddy. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna take that. Is that okay? Cool. Yeah, sorry about your luck. Do I not get to move? Hello? Oh, hi! No, I'm good. Cool. Alright. Dude, okay, yeah. I'm good on that. No, Cthulhu monsters raising the dead over here, okay? Yeah, I'm good. I don't want any. Okay, nobody's in here. That's good. So we've got 2 confirmed dead. What is that? What's this? Ah, looks like an elder sign. Read the description. An ornamental... I can't speak today. An ornamental metallic object with an elder sign. Sign used for protection from powerful entities carved on one of its faces. Sure. I don't know what trophy items are used for, if they're used for anything. Okay, well, we opened up those. Tree, you're kinda in the way.
The same set of symbols we've seen in strangely carved niches all around here matches with what is written in the oldest parchment. I believe uncertainly that they represent a destination towards somewhere significant.
Okay. Will it take us to the sinking city? Oh, I could probably just gone around the other way and avoided the branch. I've copied down the glyphs. Okay. Cool. Can we read that document now? Okay, yeah. This is going to be the newest one. What insane discoveries we've made in a short period of time. Even Professor William Dyer's shocking revelations were not enough to prepare us for this. Foreseeing is a really believing. But those discoveries have also caused an uproar amongst the crew members whose assumptions indicate that the fate of this expedition will end in ruin. Some serious mental disorders are the prime focus right now. As a temporary solution, we have prohibited this area to the rest of the members, for it seems most of us are not ready to comprehend such a thing. After surveying the flooded halls ahead with our basic diving equipment, it was concluded that it would be better to divide the exploration team into 2 or more to carry out the exploration more effectively. According to the latest plan, we will send 1 or 2 teams with submarines to see if a route exists for us to continue into the depths of the submerged tunnels, and the rest will explore on land. Dr. Morgan C. Blake. Okay. Interesting. Alrighty then. This isn't where we go. Back this way. This game's so cool. It really is. Like, I love the setting of this. And, like, all the thought work that they put into it. Like, not only does the game itself look beautiful, but, like, all the sculpture and stuff like that for the, like, Lovecraftian thing. It's really cool. Oh, hey. Is this where those 5 things go? Oh, hey, wait a minute. Journal.
If I am not mistaken.
Oh, no, I don't care about that. Drawings. Okay, here we go. We've got the line with the like little curly thing with the whatever there. Let's start with that one. This one was here. We've got the double lines on the sides with the stuff in the center. Okay. Oops. The double lines with the stuff in the center. Yeah, this one goes here. Drawings, please. Yeah, thanks. Okay, and then we've got the one with the sun here, and then that one there. Okay. Sun goes here, then this one goes here, and there. I don't think that's the same symbol, is it? No, I don't think it is. I don't think that's the same one. Pardon me? Want to run that by me again? Growling in the deep? And did nothing. Okay, cool. We're just gonna plug that other one in here, just for now. And we'll turn the thingy again and see what happens. Well, that did something. That opened the big door. No? No? Okay. Cool. Not gonna turn that again, because I have a feeling it's gonna kill everybody. That turned the big dome. Okay. Cool. Awesome. That's where we're going to stop this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're enjoying Conarium here. I am. This game is really cool. I love the atmosphere and the setting. I really want to see where this goes. It seems like it's got like a really cool story. So, hope you guys are interested. Keep watching. We'll see you at the journey's end. Ta-ta.